One of the other great things to come and see and do here in Sydney is to come and check out the Royal Botanic Gardens. So Linda and I are going to go for a walk around and just check them out. Linda's hurrying me up. Here we are walking through, we've just walked through the entrance now to the Sydney Botanical Gardens. Linda's been wanting to come and check it out. I know our daughter's wanting pictures of plants. So we're walking around the Botanical Garden now and just happened to turn around and caught a different view of the Opera House.
This time.
Such a unique feature.
Behind it.
A unique building. Such a pretty green space, isn't it? After a busy 7 or 8 days going in and out of the city on buses, light rail, trains, ferries, it's nice just to come and have some of this quiet. And yet it's just so close to the city. After being in the hustle and bustle of the city, it's just really nice having a park like this that you can just come and spend some quiet time, if you like, as quiet as I suppose it can get in a city of 5 million people. Walking past Government House at the moment, just to my right. So now just looking into the grounds now of our Government House. And of course, you have these delightful little animals doing their job for Clean Up Australia. Definitely basil, so you're at the herb garden. What's a little purple one?
Aloe vera. I'm not sure.
There's aloe vera behind me.
Royal. That might be a rosemary.
Okay.
Looks like a rosemary. Vietnamese mint.
Yep. So growing all manner of things here at the gardens. Just wish my zucchinis would grow that well. Probably need a full can of fly spray to get rid of this one. There's also little paths all through the park and signposts to direct you where you may want to go. I know Linda's wanting to find the rose garden. I'm just going to go and check out these signs here.